So now here we have another question 72. Identify the basic amino acid from the following. Now out of these you will see glutamic acid. Now glutamic acid is acidic amino acid because it has an extra carboxyl group other than the one which is attached to the alpha carbon. Valine is neutral, tyrosine is aromatic amino acid, and if you see the structure for lysine, so you will see this is the alpha carbon, to this alpha carbon this is the carboxyl group, here we have the amino group H here, and the R group if you will see there is this and one more amino group here. So now since there is amino group present, so overall nature becomes basic. So that gives us the option 2 as the correct answer. So let us move ahead with the next question, that is 73. Now in this question, as you see, there are the blood cells given and here we have their functions in the column 2. So eosinophils, now eosinophils are the ones which alleviate, that means they reduce the symptoms of allergy and they would be releasing histaminase. So you see here release histaminase destructive enzymes, that is. So by basophils there is release of histamine and that will be then neutralized by histaminase. So A will go with 3. Then basophils, they release of course granules containing histamine. Neutrophils, they are for phagocytosis, so C goes with 2, and lymphocytes of course immune response, and that would be the T and the B lymphocytes which are responsible for our specific immunity, right. So in this case let us see out of the choices, it is in the fourth one that we get all the correct matches. So this will give us the correct answer. Now from here let us move on to our next question. Now question 74th. Now in this inhibitor of catalytic activity, so here if you see the various choices given over here, so out of that malonate or the malonic acid, it is inhibitor of the enzyme succinic dehydrogenase. So A will match with 2. Possess peptide bonds. So out of these 4 the best choice would be collagen because it is a protein and within the protein there would be peptide bonds between the amino acids. Cell wall material in fungi, so that is chitin, and secondary metabolite once again which is a metabolite which is produced as a byproduct of any biochemical reaction and it is not further utilized by the plant, it might be stored and it may have some economic value for us or maybe the plant is using it for defense purpose. So that one here is ricin which is produced in the castor plant. So if we see the options available with us, so all correct matches are in option number 4. So this gives us option 4 as the right answer. Now let us move ahead with the next question.